The HAVA dishwasher is amazing. You don't need any hookups. You could hook it up to your sink if you like, but you can also just use the top area here to pour water from a pitcher that is included. And you can see it go. It holds a lot of dishes, pots, pans. This machine is incredible. I've owned it for over 3 years now and want to do this review. It is strong. It holds a lot of dishes, and I mean a lot, almost as much as your full-size dishwasher that you could have. But if you don't have one, this is convenient and it's very economical. You use the pods, put it one in. You can hook up the water to your sink with an attachment, but if you want even more convenience where you can take this anywhere, even on a camping trip, you can just bring a pitcher, or it comes with the pitcher actually right here, and pour about 3 of them of water on the top, and that's it. You don't need any hookups. This machine cleans so well. Look at it go. I have a couple pots in there. I have dishes, silverware, rack in the back. It has multiple settings: drying, a normal, speed settings, eco-friendly, baby, dishes, fruit. It is very solid built, and it is incredible. I have no problems with it, have had no issues. As you can see, this hose is where the water comes out to drain. If you can't put this machine next to your sink for space reasons, when I first got this, I didn't do that. I actually had this on a island, or a portable wheeled island, and I put this hose in a jug or a water container that you can purchase also on Amazon, and just put the hose in there and it will just drain right in there, and you can just empty it out into the sink. So if you can't put this right next to your sink for whatever reason, just put this in one of those, it could be one of those emergency water jugs that is thin and stands upright, doesn't take a lot of space, and that works as well. But I recommend this machine. Get it, it's great.
We have a dishwasher, Dad. We got a dishwasher. Our dishwasher came in today. So right about the time the boys got out of school. You can see into it. It does really, really well. I mean, it's getting those things clean. This was just a temporary wash. So it has several settings. It's all digital up here. So yeah, it was about $400. I know y'all don't have that kind of money. I'm just saying, for an apartment, this is actually really nice. It does have a dry cycle. So it'll go through about an hour of drying because everything's soaked. But I even have my hand washing only type thing in there, and I've got it on eco mode, so hopefully it's doing it gently. I had some pretty greasy silverware in there. We're gonna see how it did, and these bowls were kind of just a little dirty. But yeah, so this is my dishwasher.
So I feel like a lot of the videos from there that I've seen on here say that you have to pour the water really slowly. That really doesn't seem to be the case. And you can pour it very fast, as you can see. As long as you pour towards the top, or towards the back, it's fine. And everybody seems to pour extremely slow, but you don't really have to.
And it has damage on the outside. The top looks like it's been wiped down with something. It's like all scratched up. The tape is used and opened, and there's moisture on the inside, which is pretty gross.
So just cut the bottom of one of these little containers off, and it fits wonderfully right on in there, and then you can actually pour. Here's a hack. So everybody talks about how, you know, you have to pour slowly, straight up you don't. See? Doesn't spill.